So Jana, what are some of the important criteria for evaluating a partner to help you with industrial transformation?
So based on what we discussed earlier, knowing exactly what's the problem you try to solve, I think, first of all, do you need a partner, yes or no? This is one of the first questions. In my experience, most companies at some point will need a partner, because when you do things for the first time, you always have some knowledge gaps, experience gaps, and capacity gaps. And you need to close those gaps if you don't want to run into bigger problems afterwards. So finding a good partner, technology partners or advisors, whether it's legal advisors, financial advisors, or business advisors, industry advisors, like what we do, can at the end of the day save a lot of money and even put you on a path of success. But what to look for? First of all, the experience, the experience in industry, the experience with that type of transformations, and track records. Yeah. So never hesitating, talking to people they have worked before with, understanding what they have done, the composition of the team, and do they have the capacity, the bandwidth, and if it's an international dimension, the international bandwidth to support such an initiative. Initiatives can be over a number of months, or at times over a number of years. So also clarifying, not only are they qualified, do they have what it takes to win and to help us win, but can they be a partner over time? A lot of consulting firms would help on the strategy side, but not on the execution side, which can be a real problem, because at the end of the day, yes, it's good to have a strategy. It's good to understand the path forward. But in my experience, when teams have not done that before, just after a few months, they will not know what happens next. So having somebody on your side what can walk that journey with you, and with more or less intensity, be along all the way, so that you have a person to ask and consult when you need it.